Welcome to Fly Your English channel, and in this lesson we are talking about vegetables. Let's go. Lettuce, lettuce leaves. Broccoli, broccoli soup. Artichoke, artichoke blossom. Eggplant, roasted eggplants. Cucumber, slices of cucumber. Potato, potato crisps. Carrot, carrot juice. Asparagus, bundle of asparagus. Cauliflower, the head of cauliflower. Tomato, ripe tomatoes. Mushroom, a basket of mushrooms. Corn, a cornfield. Radish, fresh radish. Green beans, a plate of green beans. Onion, red onion. Garlic, garlic bulbs. Pepper, bell pepper. Spinach, spinach smoothie. Squash, colorful squashes. Zucchini, grilled zucchini. Celery, celery branch. Brussels sprouts, a bowl of Brussels sprouts. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you like it and subscribe to our channel.